In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Outlook profile picture. If you want to update the photo that appears on your Outlook account, the process is quick and straightforward once you know where to click. This is useful if you want a more professional image, a newer photo, or simply want your account to look more up-to-date across Microsoft services. To begin, open Outlook and go to your Mail page. Make sure you're fully signed into the correct account before you continue, since the profile photo you change will apply to that account. Once your inbox is visible, you're ready for the next step. Now look to the top right corner of the Outlook window. You should see your current profile icon or picture there. Click on that profile icon once. This opens the account menu, where Outlook gives you access to account-related options. After the menu appears, click on your profile again. This usually takes you from the small account menu into a more detailed profile area where you can manage your account picture. If your screen looks slightly different, don't worry. Microsoft sometimes updates the layout, but the profile area is still typically connected to that icon in the top right corner. Next, find and click the option labeled Change Photo. This is the setting that lets you replace your existing profile image. When you select it, Outlook or your Microsoft account page will open the photo management section where you can upload a new picture. From there, choose the image you want to use from your computer. It's a good idea to pick a clear photo that is centered well, since profile pictures are often shown in a small circular format. If needed, you may be able to adjust the crop so your face or main subject is clearly visible. Once you're happy with the selection, click Save. After saving, give it a moment to update. In some cases, the new photo appears right away, while in others, it can take a little time to sync across Outlook and other Microsoft apps. If you don't see the change immediately, try refreshing the page or signing out and back in. And that's it. Your Outlook profile picture has been updated. Keeping your profile photo current can make your account look more polished and easier for others to recognize. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.